Hey friends, it's Len here at 1A Auto. Today I'm working on a 2007 Toyota FJ Cruiser, and I'm going to show you how to remove a side marker bulb socket. It's going to be a very easy job. I want to be the guy that shows you how to do it. If you need any parts, you can always check us out at 1aauto.com. Thanks. So to get to the bulb socket, what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to reach in to where the lens is. Grab it, turn it counterclockwise, lift it up. We'll take the bulb out of here, set this aside. You can either replace it or reuse it, depends on if it's still good or not. Then right over here, there's a little push button. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to push that in. You could use your thumb or your index, whatever you've got, whatever you want to use, I should say. Squeeze it, and then give this a tug, and it should separate. So I'm going to try to squeeze it. Pull that right off, and there's your bulb socket assembly. Okay, so here we go. Let's get this all connected in. We're just going to take this. We'll check to make sure that this isn't corroded in here. It looks good. Not corroded back there. Not corroded right there. Everything looks good. Connect it all back in. We'll put our bulb back together. We'll get it into our assembly over here. Let's see. Just give it a little twist. There we go. Looks good. Easy peasy.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.